Hiya, I've just had a large box of goodies delivered from kikkiK. This is an order that I just made because there were 40% off full priced items and I thought I'd buy a few things I've been wanting, and also there were some good sale items. First of all, we've got some air. We'll take that out. We have 12 days of Christmas. So this 12 days of Christmas has porcelain Christmas tree ornaments in it. So originally it was $99.99 New Zealand, and I managed to get it on sale for 30 New Zealand dollars. So I was super pleased with that. I have already bought 4 of the ornaments in another set, but I have an 8-foot Christmas tree, so I can easily use more of those. This bubble wrapped package. This is the 2-pack of hedgehog porcelain pot planters. So these are super cute. This is the little one with his little foiled nose. Perfect for a little succulent or a little cactus. And then this is the bigger one. They are just too gorgeous. I've seen them in store quite a few times. I really thought they were super cute and wanted to buy them, and then very luckily managed to get them for the 40% off. And here we've just got a thank you for your order. There's something under the paper as well, no, and wrapped in tissue paper. There's something else in this bag, this fabric bag. I have this. This is a pink leather A5. I can't think what they call it. Just a notebook, A5 leather notebook, pale pink. So it had been $59.90 New Zealand and it was $25. So it's got pockets here, a pocket there which the notebook is inside, and at the back same, and then just a lined A5 notebook inside there. I had to buy it, it was pink and it's nice and soft. And then these two are 2 coffee cups. Super cute gingerbread men. So some of them are foiled, some of them have little, this has a little bit of arm missing. So that's super cute, I think. And that's made from porcelain. And I got 2 of those. And then there's this package wrapped in tissue paper. I've got 3 things in here. There's a wall calendar, a sticker lover's book, which is a little bit thicker than I thought it would be actually, and then adhesive monthly calendars in an A6 size. These are from the Woodland range and they really look super cute. Smaller than A6 and they are adhesive, so they'll peel. So these are giant stickers, as you can see here. The backing peels off, and we've got the months of the year for next year. And then the 2 blank months, one's grey and one's pale pink. Then there's the mini adhesive calendars for all of next year. Then we've got the monthly tabs and some tiny little headers. and then just a page of decorative items. So they looked super cute. So they were $16.99 New Zealand before discount. And then we've got the Sticker Lovers book. But first of all, I'll just look at this. There's the 2020 wall calendar. This is a kikkiK collection, which was in conjunction with Te Arai Trent. And we've got a whole selection of different pages there for each month. So the monthly layouts actually start December this year. And we've got the month prior, the month after. We've got the days of the week in English and in Swedish. And then a good size box for each day. So I'll quickly flip through here. If you dream it, you can do it. So some lovely pages in there, and then in this nice soft colourway. And the last thing I had in the box was the Sticker Lovers book, which is a nice thick sticker book, over 750 stickers. The first page here is from the Cute collection. There's gold foiling. Then we've got the sticker seals. Some large deco items from the collection. Gold foiling again with some labels. This is the Sweet collection. The page is more off-white and gorgeous plants. Cute animals. Some labels again. Some nice birthday stickers. Some seals. And then we've got the gorgeous Live Bright collection from a few years ago. Gold foiling. Love this collection. Lots of birthday stickers with gold foiling and seals. We've got the washi strips in the corners. And then I've got this sticker book actually. It's from ages and ages ago. Really cute collection. I can't remember what it was called, but I have used a lot of the stickers that I had. So there's 2 pages of alphas. These are little in a stamp shape around the edging. They look like they're actually pages out of the original book. And I have this one too. This is Be Brave, I think this collection was called. I pretty much have all of these stickers. I don't think I've really used many of them. And then we've got some tags. So these pages are cardboard from here, I would think. There's gold foiling there with the Cute. There's the Sweet, Live Bright, the collection I can't remember its name, and Be Brave. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5. So stickers from 5 different collections in the Sticker Lovers book. So it's cute. It's a nice one to have, and it's a lot thicker than the usual. I've just grabbed one of the sticker books so I can see that the page size and everything is the same, but obviously there's a lot more in the Sticker Lovers book. So this is the collection. Oh, it must be called Hello Sunshine. This is the collection that there are some pages in the Sticker Lovers book, and you can see I've used, actually I still have quite a lot of them left, but it's quite an old book. I don't remember from when it comes, but I think the pages are the same. Let's have a look. Yeah, so the pages are the same from the old sticker book to this. So the Sticker Lovers book is selecting some of the pages from 5 different collections to put together into one amazing sticker book. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my latest kikkiK haul. The 12 Days of Christmas I'm going to start unboxing from today, because today is the 13th of December, and I'm going to have an unboxing video for each day in the 12 days leading down to Christmas. If you'd like to see that, do keep an eye out for those videos. Otherwise, I'll catch you in another video. Bye!